Starting Wednesday, July 1st, several new laws will take effect across Florida, and that includes one that's designed to strengthen protections for domestic violence survivors and to hold repeat offenders more accountable. Channing Curtis is live now, and Channing, this bill received unanimous support in Tallahassee.
Heather, that's exactly right. When House Bill 277 goes into effect on Wednesday, advocates tell me they're looking forward to seeing how this new law further protects survivors.
Every year in Duval County, there's around 8,000 incidents of domestic violence reported to the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office. And that doesn't even account for all the times that call can't be made.
For the past 7 years, Stephanie Brown has helped connect domestic violence survivors with safety and support through Hubbard House in Jacksonville. She says advocates welcome a new Florida law that ratchets up penalties for people who repeatedly commit domestic violence offenses.
When we are holding abusers accountable, enhancing the penalties that they face, making sure that they are served restraining orders and that those are followed up, that is a safer future for a survivor.
The new law also increases relocation assistance for survivors trying to escape abusive situations, makes it easier for repeat violators of protective injunctions to face felony charges, requires better coordination between military and civilian protective orders, and allows judges to consider threats against a family pet when deciding whether to grant an injunction.
Previously, for a survivor to prove that they are in fear or experiencing violence, if your pet is involved in that, that pet had to experience violence as well. Now we're saying if there's a threat of violence to the pet, that is something that can be weighed in considering the survivor's safety.
Advocates say the changes recognize how domestic violence often escalates over time and gives courts more tools to intervene before a situation becomes deadly.
A history of domestic violence and escalation of domestic violence, that is something that can predict a really dangerous situation, potentially even lethal. And so adding more accountability to people who are time and again committing this abuse is something that could go a really long way in promoting that survivor's safety.
Now, state data shows that every year there are more than 100,000 reported domestic violence incidences, and advocates say that many more go unreported. If you or someone that you know is a victim or experiencing domestic violence, help is available 24 hours a day through the Florida Domestic Violence Hotline. Their number is right there on your screen. Reporting in Jacksonville, Channing Curtis, First Coast News on your side.